We're about to begin an experiment to look at the relationship between gas pressure and volume. We're using a gas pressure sensor, and it is hooked up to our LabQuest, which is going to show us what the pressure is for each data point. And we're about to hook our syringe up. In this experiment, we want to keep temperature the same. We're going to do that by just staying in the same classroom and not going anywhere. We also need to keep number of particles the same, and we're going to do that by making this a closed system. We're going to keep, once we've attached the syringe to the sensor, we're going to keep them attached the entire time. So you can go ahead and attach. All right, so for each data point, we're going to set the syringe to a certain volume, and then we will hold that data point and keep that data point on our screen. So here's our first volume, and we're going to save that. And we're going to come over and do that again with a different volume. So we've got 9 milliliters. We're going to save that. Next data point, 8 milliliters. And we're saving that. Now another volume, continuing to decrease the volume. Six. And actually, as you're pushing the syringe in, what are you feeling happen?
Oh, there's a lot more pressure to it.
And you can see the graph starting to take shape there. Now we're going to go the other direction, and we're going to increase the volume compared to the starting point. To 12 milliliters. And 13. And 14 milliliters, and you can see she's having to work really hard now to hold it. It's trying to suck itself back to its original volume because the pressure's really low inside. All right, that's probably good on data points, so I just want to focus in now on what the graph looks like. So here's their graph of pressure versus volume. And then Matthew, if you could switch to the table. Do you know how to do that?
Oh, let's stop first.
Yep, hit stop. And then go up to the top where the table is. So if you're watching this at home, here's a data set that you can use for your own lab.